Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem Microsoft Rewards gift card, Roblox. Alright, let's begin. To redeem a Microsoft Rewards gift card for Roblox, you do not need to use an Xbox. You can complete this process on a mobile phone, tablet, or computer. First, open your web browser and search for the Microsoft Rewards Redeem page. From the results, open the official Microsoft Rewards Redemption Catalog. Next, sign in using your Microsoft account. Make sure you are logged in to the correct account that has the rewards points available. Once signed in, you'll see a list of rewards you can redeem. Scroll through the catalog and look for the Roblox digital gift card option. When you find Roblox, tap on the Redeem Reward button next to it. After that, select the amount of Robux you want to redeem based on the available options. Confirm your selection and continue with the redemption process. Once completed, the Roblox digital gift card or Robux will be added to your account and ready to use. You can then spend it on in-game items or upgrades. So that's basically how you can redeem Microsoft Rewards gift card Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks.